Welcome to Quick Cuts, sponsored by Holmatro. I'm Steve White with Advanced Rescue Solutions. In this segment, we're going to utilize the Holmatro Combi-Tool to do a rapid dash lift extrication. With the vehicle stabilized and all the hazards addressed, we're going to go ahead and make our relief cut here in the center of the A-post. We want to keep in mind and control the roll of the tool to prevent it from going further into the passenger compartment. If we run into any problems with the passenger, then we have to readjust the tool to continue through with our deeper cut. With the Holmatro Combi-Tool, we have taken off the removable tips so that we can maximize our cuts. Now with the relief cuts made, our rescuer is going to take the removable tips and put them back on the combination tool. As you can see, the tips are very easy to put on. After repositioning the tool, we are able to find a good push point in the dash to create the space needed for the rapid extrication. Now keep in mind, this car has not sustained a true front end impact that would bring the car down. With this combination tool opening 18 inches, with that compact, we're able to make that quick lift and rapid extrication. In closing, you can see where the 18-inch opening Holmatro spreader with the removable tips allows one rescuer to make the cuts and the lift to do the rapid extrication. I'm Steve White, this is Todd Taylor, we're with Advanced Rescue Solutions, and thank you for watching Quick Cuts, sponsored by Holmatro.